So hello everyone, today we are going to discuss our Java project, which is a small mini project. Here we are going to discuss one problem statement, its solution, and at last we will discuss the conclusion. Let's go to the problem statement. What is the problem statement? This problem statement, it is an easy problem statement. Write a method to accept three integers and check whether they are consecutive or not, and return true or false. Here we will check, input the numbers and we will check are they consecutive or not.
Now we will see the algorithm for checking whether three numbers are consecutive or not. So in algorithm, first we'll start the program. Second we'll take three inputs which we have to check whether they are consecutive or not. In step 3, we have to check maximum number of these three numbers. In step 4, we have to check for the minimum of the checking three numbers. Then we will check the middle number, and then next step is to check the difference of maximum number and minimum number is 1, and another is middle number minus minimum number is 1. If the both difference is 1, then and only both the three numbers are consecutive. Else means if the difference between max and mid is not 1, then the number is not consecutive. And by this example, we'll know about the consecutive numbers. Here, three numbers are given here. Then we have to check for three numbers. For example, just for simply understand, the numbers after adding 1 in it, that are consecutive numbers. Here the number are 5, 6 and 7. Yes, we know that these are the consecutive numbers. Adding 1 in 5, that gives 6. Adding 6 in 7, 6 in 6 to 1, that gives us 7. By this we come to know that these three numbers are consecutive integers.
So the next is a non-consecutive number. So what is meant by non-consecutive number? With the help of example, we will see what is the non-consecutive number. So we will take the example of 5, 7, 9. So the difference between 5 and 7 is 2. And next 7 and 9, the difference between 7 and 9 is also 2. So we can say that when the difference between two numbers is more than 1, then this number is non-consecutive number.
Now let us discuss about the definition of the consecutive number. So what is a consecutive number? Number that follows each other continuously in order from smallest number to largest number. It is called consecutive number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the example of the consecutive number. The another example of the consecutive number is -3, -2, -1 and so on. This is also example of the consecutive number. Now let's move toward the program. So first of all, we have to import the scanner class. So what is the scanner class? Scanner class is used to take a input from users. It is stored in a java.util.package. So we have already imported this from java.util.package. After that, we have to create the class. Class is blueprint of the object which describes the attribute of an object.
The execution of program starts from the main method, and that is public static void main string args. Next, we have created the object using the object is created using the scanner class and a new keyword, and system.in is used to take the input from the user. Next, system.out.print is used to display the statement input the first number. Next, the method of scanner class nextInt is called along with the object to store the value in integer x. Similarly, to display the statement input the second number, system.out.print is used, and again the method of scanner class is used nextInt along with the object to store the value in integer y. For the system.out.print is used to display the statement input the third number, and similarly with the nextInt method along with the object value is stored in integer z. Next, to display the statement check whether the three state numbers are consecutive or not, system.out.print is used, and lastly we have used the test class to display the xyz and test whether they are consecutive or not.
We have created a test method with text input of three integers x, y and z. We will understand the following code by using the example x, y and z. We will take the input 1, 2 and 3 to check they are consecutive or not. We use the math class here. We will find the maximum number first. the maximum number is z 3. Then next line we will find the minimum number, which is the minimum number using the math class. That number is 1. Now we will use how to find the middle number. Then we will use this. We will take z minus x to get the middle number y, which is 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. After taking this, now we will check the difference between maximum number and middle number is 1, and middle number and minimum number is 1. So using what the function will return now, we will check maximum, which is 3, middle number 2. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. First condition is true. Now we will check the middle number. Middle number is 2 and the mean number is 1. The difference is 1. Now the test case will return true, that 1, 2, 3 are consecutive numbers. Now we will go towards the conclusion. From this problem statement we have learned that what are consecutive numbers, which are non-consecutive numbers, how to implement scanner class, how to use integer, how to take input, and at the last using test method we have seen how to use math class and to check whether the given numbers are consecutive or not. Thank you.